Hi, my name is Rohit Krishnan, and I'm the lead programmer for the First Tech Challenge, Team Unlimited from Sharon, Massachusetts. In the next few minutes, I will show how our team will tackle this year's challenge, Bowled Over. Each year, during our first meeting after the competition kickoff, everyone in our team goes up to the whiteboard and shares their idea with the team. During this meeting, we establish some of our hardware and software goals for the upcoming season. We also designate some groups to divide the task by interest. The four main groups within our team are the design team, the build team, the programming team, and the drive team. Team members are free to choose among these four groups. After forming groups, we decide how our work sessions will be divided during the week. This year, our team decided to have 3 work sessions per week and 1 team meeting every Sunday night. The team meeting is held in the basement of one of our coaches. It serves the purpose in sharing the progress of the build session to the coaches and other team members. The design team models our robot using CAD software and simulates the effect of field elements on the robot before the build team implements it. The software team collaborates with the design and drive team to find the optimal controls for the robot's teleoperated period. They also work on creating the autonomous period of the robot. This year, one of the design innovations on our robot's programming is a dynamic autonomous program maker. We use our controllers to drive the robot across the field, and it will record the actions of the driver and automatically generate a code for the autonomous program. The build team works with the design team to build the CAD design using real parts. This year, our robot has gone through 4 unique versions of design. Our current version includes a scissor lift and a flipper servo to lift and flip crates. We also document our designs for future reference in our engineering notebook. Finally, the drive team practices driving on the 12-square-foot practice field to prepare for the competitions. In order to practice driving, our team has built a second robot with limited functionality to simulate an opponent robot. Having participated in FIRST for 4 years, I have learned that the 3 most important things which FIRST emphasizes are game sportsmanship, community involvement, and robot performance. Our team has strongly adhered to a fair play and gracious professionalism since its foundation 7 years ago. In fact, the best example of gracious professionalism was 2 years ago at the World Championship in Atlanta, Georgia. Before a highly decisive match, our opponent's robot motor burnt out and they were in a tough position of replacing the motor before their 2-minute timeout expired. However, in order to fairly win the game, we opted to share our 2-minute timeout as well, to give them some more time to fix the motor. In addition, we also set up a help desk in the majority of competitions we attended to provide software and hardware help as well as loan parts to other teams. Several times, these teams end up as our opponent in the following match. Although these are just some examples, it shows that FIRST is becoming less of a robotics competition and more of a fair sport. In order to pay forward some of the help we have received in the past, our team is highly involved in our community to share the experience of FIRST with other students. For example, this year during the first LEGO League season, we refereed at most of the New England competitions and held weekly sessions within our town to mentor 13 teams in the first LEGO League. This year, during the FTC competition kickoff, we held seminars at the New England Institute of Technology in Rhode Island to help new teams transition to the First Tech Challenge by hosting hardware and software tutorials. We also decided to take it to the next level by forming another in-school team within our town. After getting in the experience of building their own robot and programming it, the school team has now decided to attain sponsorship and participate in a local competition next year. Team Unlimited is also raising money to host a full competition in India, China, and Iran by next year, with the help of friends in other countries. All of our programs, designs, and further information about the team is available on FTC0001.org. Thank you for watching this video.